The hidden truth about manifestation. Why your dreams feel stuck. Have you ever felt like the universe is playing a cruel joke on you? Like you're doing everything right, the vision boards, the affirmations, the endless visualization, but your dreams are still just dreams. I am about to share something that might make you uncomfortable. Something that goes against everything you have been taught about manifestation. But this truth changed everything for me, and I believe it will for you too. What if I told you that the very thing you think is helping your manifestation is actually blocking them? 3 months ago, I discovered this by accident. I was at my lowest point, drowning in debt, relationship falling apart, questioning everything. Then, something happened that completely shattered my understanding of how manifestation really works. But before I share that revelation, let me ask you this. When was the last time you felt truly connected to your desires? Not just thinking about them, but feeling them in your bones. The invisible wall between you and your dreams. Here is what nobody is talking about. Your brain is sabotaging your manifestation. Not because it is broken, but because it is doing exactly what it was designed to do. Think about it. Right now, you are probably overthinking every visualization, forcing yourselves to stay positive, desperately trying to raise your vibration. And it is exhausting, isn't it? I remember spending hours creating the perfect morning routine, meditation, journaling, affirmations, the works. One morning, frustrated, and I tried. I threw my journal across the room. That's when it hit me. We have been approaching this all wrong. The body's hidden language. Your body, not your mind, is the key to unlocking manifestation. Let me prove it to you. Close your eyes right now. Think about something you desperately want to manifest. Notice what is happening in your body. Is there tension, anxiety, a knot in your stomach? That feeling, that is your manifestation roadmap. But here is where it gets interesting. Those physical sensations are not random. They are telling you exactly why your manifestations are stuck. Let me share 3 profound truths that changed everything for me. Truth 1. The resistance paradox. When you want something too badly, your body goes into survival mode. It creates tension, anxiety, fear, the exact opposite of what you need for a manifestation. Take Marcus, a software developer I worked with. He had been trying to manifest a career change for 2 years. Vision boards, affirmations, the whole deal, nothing worked. Then he tried something counterintuitive. Instead of forcing positive thoughts, he started listening to his body's resistance. Within weeks, an unexpected opportunity landed in his lap. Truth 2. The embodiment secret. Your body does not understand future tense. It only knows now. When you are constantly thinking about what you want to manifest, you are actually reinforcing the lack of it. Here is a powerful exercise I want you to try. Instead of visualizing your desire, embody it. Feel how your body would feel if you already had it. Notice how your posture changes, how your breathing shifts. That is the language the universe understands. Truth 3. The release revolution. This is the game changer, the moment that transformed my life. Most of us think manifestation is about holding on tight to your desires, but it is actually about letting go. When you release the grip on your desires, something magically happens. Your body relaxes, your energy shifts, and suddenly the very things you have been chasing start chasing you. The breakthrough method. Now, let me share the exact processes that changed everything for me. Body first, mind second. Start with physical relaxation. Let your body lead the way. Notice where you hold resistance. The release ritual. Acknowledge your desires without attachment. Feel them in your body. Let them go completely. The embodiment practice. Live as if your desire is already here. Notice how this feels in your body. Let this feeling guide your actions. Remember that depth I mentioned earlier. Using this method, I manifested an unexpected business opportunity that cleared it within months. But here is the crazy part. It happened when I finally stopped trying so hard. Now, this is where everything changes for you. But only if you are ready to let go of everything, your thoughts you knew about manifestation. Are you ready to trust your body's wisdom, release the need to control, allow your manifestations to flow naturally? The universe is not withholding your desires. It is waiting for you to understand. It is language, the language of feeling, of embodiment, of trust. Your manifestations are not stuck because you are doing something wrong. They are stuck because you have been speaking the wrong language. It is a powerful method that builds on everything we have discussed today. Click the notification bell so you do not miss it. Remember, your dreams are not just dreams. They are a preview of what is possible when you learn to speak the language of manifestation. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.